Welcome back, creators. Are you ready to unlock the secret of creating stunning viral images with AI? Whether you are an artist, a marketer, or just curious about AI, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the world of AI images generation, showing you how to create jaw-dropping visuals that are sure to go viral. So let's get started. AI has revolutionized the way we create and share visual content with tools like Leonardo AI. Anyone can produce high quality, unique images that grab attention. What makes an image go viral? It's a mix of creativity, relevance, and a touch of the unexpected. Before we jump into creating, let's quickly talk about what AI image generation is. Essentially, AI uses algorithms and pre-trained models to generate images based on text prompts. This means you can describe an image in words and the AI will bring it to life. And the key to creating viral images is in the prompt. And the key to creating viral images is the prompt you give the AI. For instance, if you want a futuristic cityscape, you might use a prompt like this: creating a stunning, ultra-detailed image of a futuristic cityscape at sunset. The skyline is dominated by sleek, towering skyscrapers and neon light glowing on vibrant colors. Posting on the right platform is crucial. Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter are great for visual content, but don't forget to newer platforms like TikTok where visuals are key. And post at optimal times. Engaging options and the right text can boost your image's visibility, helping it reach a wider audience. So today we'll be using leonardoai. So I'm going to click on get started. So you have to sign up with your Gmail account. Alright, also you can sign up with your Apple and Microsoft. Alright, so my login successful and it's time to open the dashboard. Alright, so let's pick your username. So username must be between 4 to 15 characters and content letters. So you have to put your username. So I'm going to write it here, my name, advertising, education, marketing. Okay. Also you can select stock images and product design, fashion and video games. Also you can select other. Okay, and let's click on the last one. I confirm that. Okay, and then click on next. And which role based describe you. So, all right, so done. Click on terms and condition. Okay, accept. And once you log in successfully, you will see free credits. That's mean 150 tokens, and each and every day, that's mean daily, your daily allocation for free fast tokens received in 13 hours. Okay, that's mean after 13 hours I will get another 150. So every day you will get 150 free tokens. That's enough, guys, as a new creator. Okay, so we need prompts. So you can generate the prompts. Also you can write whatever in your mind. Also you can find on Google different website where you can collect, but I'm using ChatGPT to write prompts. Okay, so I just wrote it here. I want to create a AI stunning viral images. I do not know which images, so I need you to write 3 prompts. I will be using Leonardo AI tools, and the ChatGPT sent me 3 prompts over there. So I will show you guys live. So I'm just copying the prompt here and I'm going to back the Leonardo and I will create this. I will create an image using this prompt. Okay, so click on image generation. All right, and just type a prompt. That's mean I'm going to paste the prompt over here. Perfect. So this is the first prompt, guys. Okay, and it's time to generate. So before clicking the generate, you have to select some options right left hand side, like the prompt enhance. You can select auto, also on or off, and the dynamic style. So you can select dynamic, 3D render, broken, cinematic. So what kind of styles do you want? You can select over there. So it's auto generated, dynamic. Also contrast, you can select high and medium. So always contrast should be medium, good. And generation mode, fast, quickly. As generation mode, 2 modes over there, fast and quickly. So quickly is the premium features, so we don't need it. And the image dimension, which is important. Okay, so you can select 1:1, that's been perfect for Instagram, and 16:9, that's been the YouTube size, and click on more and you will find the social, like if you want to create Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, mobile, and number of images. That's mean how many images do you want. Okay, so I'm going to select as 4. Also you can select the number, it's a premium options. Okay, and click on advanced settings. So you will find some options there. So everything is done, so it's time to generate. So click on generate. Alright, guys, so finally our image is generated and it's ready to view. I think this is the first one, so let's click on that. And this is the first image, guys. It's really amazing, cool. Okay, and the second image. All right, and third and the fourth image. So if you want to download this image, it's pretty simple. Just click on here, drop download image, you can download. But I'm not going to download this because I want to generate more, okay? And I'm going to use the second prompt. So just grab this second prompt. It's a fantasy of forest with magical creations, okay? Go back to here and paste it here, and I'm going to click on generate again. All right, so let's check it out. The first one, wow, it's really amazing, guys. It's really amazing. How cool is this? Okay, so just zoom it. Wow, it's amazing. All right, so let's check this second one. So I think this one is most beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to download this. So click on download here, and it will automatically download it into your device. All right, guys. All right, guys, so I want to show you another something interesting. If you want to edit, okay, so just click on there, so you can edit. Okay, also you can change the color, also you can change the different scenario. Okay, add dramatic light over there, so you can use. Okay, so I think Leonardo is the greatest tools, guys. All right, guys, it's all about using your creativity, choosing the right prompts, and sharing your work with the world. So if you found this videos helpful, don't forget hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And if you create something amazing AI images, share them in the comments below. So I would love to see what you come up with, and until next time, keep creating.